Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6.09 meter and the length is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. So in the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, and also we have TV unit on the front wall, and we have tea table arrangement, also glass panel and large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the left side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilators for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go inside, so we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also on the right side we have dining counter with 2 chairs and 2 large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And if we go on the left side, so we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also wardrobe arrangement and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this bedroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.